Why do we use figure of 8 knot when we know how much simple overhand knot is? Well, to know the answer, stay with me till the end of the video. If you know how to tie properly the figure of 8 knot, it can save your life in mountains and water. Also, its versatility can help you in many ways in climbing, sailing, and in general day-to-day life. Figure of 8 knots is widely used in sailing and other adventure sports. The uses and variations of figure of 8 knot have created its own family. This video will be covering 6 variations of figure of 8 knots and uses of it. Let's start with the first variation. First variation is the figure of 8 knot. How to tie a figure of 8 knot? By holding from the bight, rotate the loose end around the standing part of the rope. Complete 360 degrees rotation, and after crossing the start point of your rotation, pass it through the loop above. You will get the figure of 8 knot. Also known as figure 8 knot, figure of 8 knot, Savoy knot, Flemish knot. The basic use of this simple knot is, it stops the end of the rope from sliding through another knot, though most commonly overhand knot is used as a stopper knot these days. Second variation is figure 8 follow through knot. You can also use it to anchor around tree, boulder, or something else, as I'm showing you how to tie it in a harness. Hold the rope from the loose end, measure shoulder length. Hold it from the shoulder marker, let it fall by holding from the bight. Now rotate the loose end around the standing part of the rope. Complete 360 degrees rotation, and after crossing the start point of your rotation, pass it through the loop above. You'll get the figure of 8 knot. Now pass the rope from both the tie-in loops of your harness and pull the knot close to you. And then feed it back by following through the initial figure of 8 knot until it comes out on the other side. By stress and dress, make sure it's a neat and clean looking figure of 8 knot. Then check by counting 5 pairs of parallel rope lines. If the tail is too long, which can dangle around, put an overhand knot. It's not a safety knot. Figure of 8 knot does not need a backup or safety knots. But make sure that the tail is at least 6 inches long. Figure 8 follow through knot, also known as rewoven figure 8 retraced, rethreaded figure 8. I rarely saw a rock climber climbing without this knot. Third variation is figure 8 on a bight. Knot you can use it to attaching with a carabiner to an anchor or for hauling equipment. I found this much easier to tie in comparison with other variations of the figure of 8 knots, also known as Flemish loop or figure 8 loop knot. Let's see how to tie figure 8 on a bight. Before going ahead to the other variations, let's go through other important quality and features of figure of 8 knot. It's easy to remember, it's easy to tie, it's easy to learn, easy to check if the knot is tied correctly. 5 sets of parallel rope, easily adjustable if you need to increase, decrease the loop, makes easy for dress and stress check for the knot. Fourth variation is double loop figure 8 knot. As it has 2 loops, you can attach 2 things or you can provide extra protection to your anchor with the second loop. Let's see how to tie double loop figure 8 knot. known as double figure 8, double Flemish loop, bunny ears. The extra loop in this knot provide you extra safety. The loop is much stable and does not slip as compared to other double loop knots. Fifth variation is figure 8 directional loop knot, also known as inline loop knot. Some people also use it as handholds by tying multiple directional figure 8 loop knots. The main purpose is to haul equipment. The only caution with this knot is do not pull in the other direction. Sixth variation is figure 8 band. In rope terminology, band means a knot used to join two ends or two separate ropes together. So that's the use of the figure of 8 band knot. If you need to extend the length of the rope by joining other rope, you can use figure 8 band, also known as Flemish band. It's a very secure knot, though I don't prefer this knot as it's big bulky and takes too much of rope for tying figure 8 band. But if you want to remember only one knot, for most of the purpose it is there for you. Now back to the initial question. Why do we use a figure of 8 knot when we can use an overhand knot? The answer is overhand knot will jam with load, force or strain and you will left with no other option than cutting the rope. But that doesn't mean that figure of 8 will not jam under strain, but normally figure of 8 is much easier to untie in comparison to overhand knot. Hope you learned something useful today. If yes, then hit like and share. If you didn't, hit dislike. Comment below if you have suggestions or questions. Subscribe for upcoming interesting videos. Thank you.